Hey everyone, welcome to the weekend stock forecast. As always, let's go over the markets here. Let's find some opportunities for the coming week, and I want to start here with the SPY. As you can see on this daily SPY chart, on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday we saw a slight sell-off in the markets. On Thursday we got a technical bounce, and on Friday we tested this 20 moving average going together with this gap window area. Now with the pause here on Thursday, this is a minor level now. The first mediocre level will be this gap fill for a few day bounce. The area is 167.65. Now with this consolidation here, I will look for a pierce into this level in the coming weeks, the 163.25. So if we can break this gap fill, look for a down move into this prior pivot right here. Now let's go over the scalping levels here for Monday. Now on the upside, the first level of resistance will be the pierce of the 200 moving average right into this gap fill, the 169.65. And then we have this recent double top at 170.16. And then we have this area at 170.50. On the downside, first small support area will be the double bottom from Friday. This will be for high risk traders. I'm not looking to buy this one. I will look for a level lower here. Now let's find the next big long area, this gap window right here, the 168.28. So I'll look for a pierce of this pivot low from Friday right into this area around the 168.30. That will be my buy entry. And then let's look for another level here. First we have the gap fill at the 167.64. This will be our first major level. And then on the downside we have this this consolidation area at 167.12. Okay guys, let's jump over to the USO here. Now the USO is making a nice bear flag pattern on this daily chart here. So as you can see, we got this down move. And now we're going sideways on this on the daily chart here. Now we look for a little more consolidation here. And the 20 moving average that's coming into price. As you can see, we're going sideways just above this minor support level now, the 36.51. If we can break this level, this will be our next long opportunity on the USO. This gap fill at 35.19 together with this 200 moving average. Okay, now let's jump over to JP Morgan. Now as you can see, JP Morgan got a nice bounce from this Wednesday pivot low with the 200 moving average. As you can see, we came into this triple bottom area, and JP Morgan got a slight bounce. Now where will be the first resistance on JP Morgan? You can take a small swing short on the pierce of the 50 moving average with this prior pivot high, the 53.61. And after that it will be basically this double top around the 57 area. That's my second resistance on the upside. Now on the downside, the first big support for a swing will be this prior pivot at 46.52. Now let's go over some scalping levels here for JP Morgan for Monday. Now as you can see on Friday, we got this up move and we got this consolidation right above this the dual moving averages here. So if you're opening flat on Monday, look for a little buy here. The first resistance on the upside will be this double top from Thursday, the 52.56. And my second target here will be this gap fill at 52.88. So this will be my first short level. And then we have this double top at 53.46. Your stop loss on this play will be any close below this 50 moving average. This will be your stop out. So your stop is basically 52.05. So you're risking like 20 cents here. So if you want to be patient, look for a little pierce of this right around to the 52.08 or so for an entry. Now let's go over Apple here. First, let's go over the daily chart. Now, as you can see on this daily chart, we got this up move and now we're consolidating above this 20 and 50 moving average. So we can see a little or some buyers stepping in Apple next week, and it may push the stock higher. The first big resistance on the daily chart will be this 509 level. Now let's find some support and resistance areas on the intraday here. The first resistance will be this gap fill at 486.23, and then we have this double top at 488.34, and then we got this area around 495. Support on the downside, first support that I see will be at this 478 peers. Then we have a minor level right here at 471. Let's call it 471.50 to 471. And then we have this gap fill. This will be the major level at 466.95. Okay guys, and the last chart here will be Facebook. Now, as you can see on this daily chart, Facebook is still a monster here on the daily chart. Now I'm short Facebook on the retrace of this stopping tail. My stop loss will be any close above this 52.50. This will be my stop out on this play. On the downside, first support that I see will be the 20 moving average going together with this 45.60 area. And then it will be the 50 moving average. Now let's find some scalp areas here first. The first minor level that I see will be this 52 area, the period of the even number. That's the only thing. We're at new highs here, so it's hard to find a good short opportunity. Then we have the 52.50, and then the 53 on the intraday chart here. Now on the downside, the first level for a scalp long will be this gap fill going together the 200 moving average here. The price is 49.45. I'm only looking for to buy multi-factor long plays here. The reason for this is just we're so extended on the daily chart, so if there's some sellers in the market, the stock can drop fast, and I will only look for extended levels to take a scalp long here. So another level here will be this 48.18, and then we have this gap fill at 47.21. As always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you all in the coming week for a new update.